Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about maths of class 6th. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. So student, according to this property, which property is this? Properties of whole numbers. We are going to start exercise 2.2. Before start exercise 2.2, we understood what is this properties about. What is this properties about? Okay. So here properties of whole numbers, there are three properties are given. First is commutativity of addition and multiplication. Second is associativity of addition and multiplication. And the third one is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So what is commutativity of addition and multiplication? Now here addition and multiplication, there are two types of properties. Okay, now in addition, here examples are given. 3 plus 2 is same as 2 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is same as 3 plus 5. 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 4. It means the numbers are same, but the order of the number is changed only. So the answer is same. It is called commutativity of addition. And also in multiplication also same way. 6 8s are or 8 6s are, both answer is same. 4 5s are or 5 4s are. See, numbers are the same but only their orders are changed. Okay. Now the second property is associativity of addition and multiplication. Now here there are the three numbers are given with the bracket. So here also, if you write first 2 or 3 or 4 or any number, you can write on the first place, but the numbers can't be changed. Okay, here see, 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 4 as it is. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now here they will change the places. What they are doing? They are doing 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, now see here 3 plus 4 is in the bracket. Now same way, 2 as it is, 3 plus 4 is 7. But the answer is same at the end. See, 5 plus 4 9 or 2 plus 7 9. Both the answer are same. Second example is also about addition. 5 plus 7 plus 3. So both the answer same. Now here also multiplication. In multiplication is also numbers are same but the order of numbers is only changed. But here the couple of three numbers. Okay, so it is called associativity of addition and multiplication. Now the last one is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now they distribute the multiplication over addition. Can you see? Here multiplication is given and addition given in the bracket. So they distribute multiplication over addition. So 6 into 5 and 6 into 3. Can you see here? Yes, this is called the distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now according to this, we are going to start exercise 2.2. Okay. Exercise 2.2. Now there are all the questions are given for the different properties. So here, what is the first question? 837 plus 208 plus 363. What is the heading? Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. What you have to do? You have to arrange properly. Suitable rearrangement you have to do. Okay. Now can you see here? We will start from the ones place. So 7 plus 8. Not possible. Now 7 plus 3. Yes. Can you see 7 plus 3? It is 10. Yes. So we are going these two numbers first. Okay. 837 plus 363. Can you see here? Now 7 plus 3 10, 0, 1 will be carry. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 0 again, 1 carry. And 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12. Can you see? And it is easy to do also. Okay, you have to suitable rearrangement. You have to arrange the number properly. Then only very easy for you. 1200 plus 208. Now which is the third number? 208. So we will take 208 on the second step. So 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4 and 1. What is your answer? 1408, or you can say 1408. Same way here 4 numbers are given, so you have to make a group of two numbers. Now can you see 2 plus 3 it is 5, so it is not properly arranged. 2 plus 8 it is 10, yes. So first number is joined with this third, and 3 plus 7 it is 10, yes. So we are taking this way. First we are taking 1962 plus 1538. So you can here see 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 will be carry. 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15, 5, 1 will be carry. So 1 2 and 3, so 3500. And another number 453 plus 647. So 3 plus 7 10, 1 will be carry. 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 6 10 plus 1 11. And then at the end you have to sum of these two numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 6 and 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Now we are going to start a second question. Find the product by. Now we have to find a product by suitable rearrangement. Okay. Product means if we multiply and whatever answer we got, it is called a product. So here first question is given 2 multiplied by 1768 multiplied by 50. So which suitable rearrangement we are going to do? That 2 50s are 100, and then 100 multiplied by 1768, it is very easy to do. So we are taking this two number first. So 2 multiplied by 50 and then multiply by 1768. So 2 50s are 100, 2 zeros of 100, 1 8s are 8, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. So your answer is 1. What is your answer? 1,76,800. Okay. Here also same way. You have to make a suitable rearrangement. Now can you see 4 into 166 multiplied by 25. So what we are going to do? We are taking these two numbers, first and last number, because 25 folds right is 100. Yes. So 4 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 166. So 4 into 25 is 100. Again 2 zeros as it is. 1 6 is 6, 1 6 is 6, 1 1 is 1. So your answer is 16,600. Now the C1 also. You have to think logically and use your mind properly. 8 into 291 into 125. So can you see 8 multiplied by 125 is 1000, and then if you multiply by 1000 with the 291, it is very easy to do. You don't have to do so much long method. Okay. So these are called the properties of whole number. Okay. using this method you have to solve this D, E and F also. Thank you.